Yes,
Cases
ma'am.
are on the rise.
Ma'am, yeah,
Are you
ma'am,
aware?
yes, this,
In many parts of Patna, there are a lot of cases, like Patna city and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete scene.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इस ईयर में तो स्कूल खुलने का कोई संभावना नहीं।
देखो,
बिल्कुल नहीं है।
Russia has claimed that it has
Ma'am,
covered the
announce.
vaccine. Russia is making claims. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, so we'll go back to our chapter. So,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of murmur? I told you some word meanings yesterday.
Low voice, low voice, low voice.
Bhavya, what is the meaning
Voice.
of murmur? Bhavya,
Low voice.
speak something in a
Speaking
low
low
voice.
tone.
Yes. What is the meaning of shabby?
Dirty.
Dirty.
Dictionary meaning of shabby is dirty. In this context, you can say it is ugly also.
Okay.
So, no longer useful. So, what comment? What comment did the mayor make when he saw the statue of the Happy Prince?
He says that what is statue?
Anuj,
But
Anuj
Ruby
Sharan
has
answer.
fallen.
Anuj Sharan.
the mayor commented that what a shabby statue. He's the rubies of the eyes fallen, and the ruby of the sword hilt fall is gone, and the sapphire from his eyes has also fallen, and when
The mayor commented that the statue has become so ugly, the ruby has fallen, and all the golden leaves have also fallen down. So the statue is looking very shabby, very ugly. What did the mayor say when he saw the dead bird at the feet of the prince?
He said that we must issue a proclamation that birds are not allowed to be died to hear.
Yes, issue a proclamation. What is the meaning of proclamation?
घोषणा करना
Announcement.
Public announcement. Proclamation means public announcement. To announce something publicly throughout the kingdom. Okay. Then, so both the mayor and the prince, the mayor and the councillors, his ministers, when they saw the statue of the Happy Prince, they commented that now the statue had become very ugly, and the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. So the mayor and the minister, they said that we will issue a public announcement. पूरे राज्य में घोषणा कर दी जाएगी that birds are not allowed to die here because the birds are dying and making the town dirty. So we will make a public announcement that birds are not to be allowed to die. And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. And the clerk noted the suggestion. The clerk has to write the proclamation. So he made a note of the suggestion. So they pulled down the statue of the Happy Prince. So now what they did? The statue of the Happy Prince was made just to beautify the town. शहर को सुंदर बनाने के लिए वो स्टैच्यू रखा गया था. So once the statue became ugly, what did they decide? They decided to pull down the statue of the Happy Prince. So here the writer is also conveying the message that people only go after beauty. So they pull down the statue of the happy prince. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful. Look at the mentality of the mayor and his ministers. Once he has become ugly, he is no longer useful. So his purpose is only to beautify the town, said the art professor at the university. So this is the comment made by the art professor, that a thing is useful only as long as it is beautiful. Then they melted the statue in a furnace. You know what is a furnace? What is a
Tea.
furnace?
Ma'am, fireplace.
Place where
Fireplace.
metals are heated and melt. A place where
Fireplace.
where metals, other things also, metals are heated and melt. Heated. So they melted the statue in a furnace. Now the statue no longer beautified the town. So what did they do to the statue? They melted it in a furnace. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. So what did the overseer? Overseer means it is a post, engineer. So the overseer, what did he comment? This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. Foundry means a place where metal or glass is melted and shaped into objects. Foundry also means the same, where metals or glass are melted. So foundry, where metals are melted. Overseer means the engineer who is in charge of a project. In charge of a project. So who was given the charge of melting? The overseer, who is in charge of group of workers or project. So overseer is a supervisor kind of a person. Overseer means supervisor, and foundry means where metals are
Cast.
or
Where
metals are
metals are
melted,
cast.
which furnace जैसा ही this broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. But what strange thing happened when the statue of the happy prince was put in the furnace? Everything melted, but the heart did not melt. Isn't it strange? The heart is also made of lead only. Everything is made of the same metal, and the body melted, but the heart did not melt. Broken heart will not melt in the furnace. We must throw it away. Why the heart did not melt? Why? Because it was.
Because ma'am, because heart is kind hearted.
Yes, because of the goodness, the warm emotions that were present in the heart. The happy prince, a heart was a unique heart who did not care about himself, compassionate, kind-hearted. So his heart did not melt because it was not an ordinary heart. It was a strange one. It was a unique heart full of kindness and compassion. What was his motto in life? That I can be happy only when the people of my kingdom are happy. That was his motto. That was his thinking. So his heart was a unique heart. It was not like the ordinary people who just care for themselves. We must throw it away. So they threw it on a dust heap. Heap means pile. pile, garbage का pile होता है. So where did they throw this where did they throw this heart of the happy prince? They threw it on the dust heap, they threw it on the dust heap, the pile of dust where the dead swallow was also lying. And look at the chance, the coincidence. In life also, the prince and the swallow were united. What happened after death? After death also, they went to the same place. When the lead of the when the heart of the happy prince was thrown, where did it go and fall? Look at the chance. It went and fell at the same place. It went and fell at the same place where the swallow was lying. What a chance. God also wants the prince and the swallow to be united. He also has very good feelings for the prince and the swallow. So what happened when the heart was thrown, the heart which did not melt? Where did it go and lie? On the
dust heap.
where did it go?
Where the swallow was dead.
Where the swallow was dead. So in life also both were united, and after death also both were united on the pile of dust where the dead swallow was also lying. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels. Now God is giving a command to one of his fairies. What did he say to one of his fairies? कि शहर के जो सबसे कीमती चीज है, precious is expensive. So God commanded
Costly.
his fairy, one of his fairies, एक फेरी को गॉड ने कमांड किया कि शहर के जो दो सबसे कीमती चीज है वो मुझे ला कर दो, मोस्ट प्रेशियस. An angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. Which were the two most precious things in the city? Which were
Leaden
the
heart and the dead bird.
The leaden
The
heart
leaden
and the dead bird.
dead.
Why? Because both were kind-hearted, compassionate, helpful, compassionate. They had genuine feelings for everyone. That is why you have rightly chosen, said God. So angel chose the leaden heart of the prince and the dead bird. And what did God say? God said that your choice is perfect. You have chosen the two right things. For in my garden of paradise, you know,
Yes,
Swarg.
ma'am.
Heaven.
heaven,
Heaven.
Swarg. So paradise, this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me. So it is said that those who do good deeds, they go to heaven. ऐसा बोला जाता है ना, अच्छे काम करेंगे तो स्वर्ग जाएंगे. If you do bad deeds, then you will go to hell. So the happy prince and the swallow got place in heaven. Why? Because in all their life, they had done only good deeds. They sacrificed their own life for the well-being of others. That is why God gave them place in heaven. So now the chapter is complete. We'll move on to question answers written by Oscar Wilde, very famous writer, Oscar Wilde. Have you heard the name?
No, ma'am.
You haven't heard. So this is the glossary, word meanings. Seamstress, a woman who makes a living by sewing.
Yes, ma'am.
Darjin, darji, lady tailor, thimble, a metal or plastic cap with closed end worn to protect the finger. I told you while teaching the chapter that thimble is the cap worn on the finger to protect it from the needle. उंगली में सुई चुभे नहीं, उसके लिए वो थिम्बल पहना जाता है. Garret, a small dark room at the top of the house. Why do the courtiers call the prince the happy prince?
Ma'am, courtiers call
Ma'am.
the prince happy prince as he lived
Ma'am,
happy
he
life.
was called as a happy
Vaishnavi.
prince because the sorrow is
Because
not.
he
Vaishnavi, answer. Vaishnavi, can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You answer.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, answer करो.
He was happy because when he. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Because he was alive. Because when he was alive, he was so happy in palace because sorrow is not allowed in the palace.
Yes, very good. When he was alive, he did not experience sorrow at all because he lived in the palace. He had all the luxuries, all the things that he needed, and he did not know what sorrow
all
was. That is
privilege.
why. Huh? Want to add something?
Ma'am, he was privileged.
He was rich. Yes.
Privileged. Ma'am, privileged.
Yes, very good. Yes. Yes, he was privileged. He was privileged. He belonged to the royal family. So it is very natural. He is privileged. Is he really happy?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No,
He was-
he is not
Is he
really
really
happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Is he,
Or
He
after
was
time.
happy. After death and have a lead heart, he becomes very unhappy because he sees the sorrowness and the misery of his country.
okay. You can write like this that during his life he was happy, but after his death he was not happy. Is he really happy? Refers to refers after his death. If he is he really happy, because it is means after his, so he's not really happy. What does he see all around him?
Misery.
Misery,
Sorrow and miserable.
So what does he see
And
all
life.
around
Sorrow
him?
and misery.
Misery, he sees misery, sorrow.
Of people around.
So he sees
Tears of people.
he sees the misery.
Of the villagers.
He sees the misery of the villagers, the people of the city. Misery, sorrow, deprivation, poverty. All these words you can use in your answer.
etc.
etc. If you have any other word, in literature, there is lot of flexibility. So you can, it's not like science ki as yahi likhe to sahi hai. You can use many other words. Ramyog,
Ma'am,
you
I
want
have
to-
a question.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the author has Oscar in his name. It means that is he won Oscar award?
No. It is just his name. He has not won the Oscar
Yes, ma'am.
award. It is just his name. Yes. Why
Nice
does
question.
why does the happy prince send a ruby for the seamstress?
Because
Because
He
the
seemed the
seamstress
happy
is
when he saw
extremely
the
poor
princess on the tide
and
of
her
hard-working.
child is
Her little boy
suffering from
was lying
fever
ill, and he had a
oranges.
fever and was
and is
asking
still
for
And
fallen
money. The
which
mother
asleep.
was sad, so the prince
Or-
sent a ruby for her. Some
Okay.
That's why Solo.
Extremely, because she is
When
extremely poor.
Yes, ma'am.
So he
And
wants
her
to
child is suffering from fever.
And
child is suffering
had a
from
fever
fever.
He
Does
didn't
not,
have even
and
money
was
to give
asking for
his
an
child
orange.
oranges.
Just for her child.
child is suffering from fever, and she does
And
not
was
even
and was asking
child is
and was
suffering from child suffering from fever
and was asking
demanding
for an
oranges. What
orange.
was his demanding? Demanding
Oranges.
Oranges.
oranges. Wanted to help
and
the poor
and
lady.
her mother had not enough money.
Help her. So,
And her
what does
mother
the
has
swallow
not
do
enough
in
money
the
to fulfill.
seamstress house? What did the swallow do? Did he just
The
put
swallow, persuaded by the prince, went to the
Sir,
seamstress house, but the seamstress had
swallow
asleep
put
as she was
the ruby in the table where the
on the
ladies worked.
okay?
forehead with
No,
his wings.
Shreyasi, you answer. Shreyasi.
Ma'am, swallow takes the ruby from the sword of the happy prince and keeps it at the table of the seamstress where she was working and she was slept.
Only she
सांस
kept
ले
the.
लो.
Did she only keep the ruby? She did
No,
Then
something
ma'am.
more.
it
No,
then
ma'am,
flew
also
around
Then
the
he
bed, fanning the boy's forehead with its wings.
Wait, Shruti Sinha.
his
Hey,
wings.
Shruti answer. Shruti Sinha.
The swallow kept the ruby on the table where the woman worked. It then flew round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with its wing. This relaxed the boy, and he was able to go to sleep.
Yes, you have to write this point also. The swallow did not just keep the ruby. He also, when he saw the boy was tossing from one side to the other, एक तरह से दूसरे तरफ वो करवट ले रहा था बेचैनी से. The boy was very restless. Why? Because he had high fever. So what did the kind swallow do? With his wings, he just fanned the boy's forehead. उसके सर पे अपने पंखों से पंखा किया. So this also you have to write. What does the swallow do? So in that you have to mention this point also. You have to mention this point also, that the swallow fanned the boy's forehead. What does the swallow do in the seamstress house? She kept the ruby and she also fanned the boy's forehead when he was tossing in bed restlessly. And the boy, what happened after that? The
boy felt relaxed and slept.
Yes, the boy felt relaxed and he slept. He had a delicious slumber. Slumber means sleep and delicious means very deep and peaceful. अब नींद तो स्वादिष्ट नहीं हो सकता है, तो नींद जो है कैसा होगा? Delicious sleep means
Deep,
deep, peaceful. For whom does the prince send the sapphires and why? Sapphires.
A playwright,
A young
playwright or a poor match girl.
See here you have to mention
The young
both.
writer who lived.
Here send the sapphires. दोनों sapphire है ना? दोनों sapphire है, तो दोनों you have to mention both. One sapphire he gives
poor
to
match
the
girl.
playwright. One sapphire to the match girl.
Poor match girl.
So you have
Match
to
girl.
mention both. The prince sends the sapphires for the playwright and the match girl, because the playwright is very hungry, does not even have firewood to warm the house.
In
And
the
the
gas.
There was no fire in the grate.
Pragya, answer.
Ma'am, he gave sapphire to the playwright because there was no fire in his grate and he was hungered.
Yes.
And he gave the sapphire to the match girl because his father will beat her if she does not bring some money to her house.
Yes, very good. Yes. Okay. What does the swallow see when it flies over the city?
The swallow.
When the swallow flies
sees
over
the
the
rich
city,
making
it
merry
saw
in the
the
beautiful
stark
houses
contrast
and the
between
beggars sitting
plenty
at the
and
gates.
poverty.
Students are answering.
The poverty.
Shruti, तुम answer करो. Shruti, have you answered?
When the swallow When the swallow flew over the city, it saw the stark contrast between the plenty and poverty. It saw rich men making merry completely obvious to the plight of the poor just down the lane. It saw the pathetic condition of the poor when they
Okay, so he saw the difference between the rich and the poor. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
इस अभी जो टेस्ट होने वाला उसका मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन पता है?
अरे ऐसा आंसर मत बोलो, मैम चले गए।
नहीं, हम बोले अभी जो टेस्ट होने वाला है उसमें मैथ्स का पोर्शन पता है किसी को?
मैथ्स का
एक्सक्यूज
अभी
मी
तो नहीं
मैम, मेरे
पता।
आंसर की वजह से नहीं, अपने कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम की वजह से डिस्कनेक्ट हुए, समझे ना?
अरे मैथ्स का पोर्शन किसी को पता है? मैथ्स का पोर्शन बताओ ना यार पहले।
Okay, why did the swallow not leave the? Okay. Fourth question we have already discussed. Why did the swallow not leave the prince and go to Egypt?
Because the swallow loved the prince, he carried out his orders to help the needy.
Wanted to help the
The
prince.
swallow loved the prince and he carried out his orders to help him.
He wanted to help the prince. He wanted to carry out his orders. The prince had become blind, so he wanted to help the prince. He did not leave the prince because now the prince had become blind, so he needed someone's help and support, and the swallow wanted to help the prince. That is why he did not go to Egypt. What are the precious things mentioned in the story?
Ma'am, the prince,
The heart of the prince and the red swallow, they are precious because they have
The heart of the prince and the dead swallow. Two precious
Yes, ma'am.
things. What are they? The heart of the prince and the dead swallow are the two precious things. Why are they precious?
because they understood
Because
the
they
misery
had
of the
done
people.
good deeds and because they had done good deeds,
So yes, because they have done good deeds.
they have done
Full of
good deeds.
compassion, full of
They have understood the misery of the people.
understood the misery of the people, full of compassion, full of good feelings for others, full of kindness for others. That makes a person precious. What makes a person precious? Why is Gandhiji remembered even today? Huh?
Because non-violence.
Because we had done
Kind-hearted.
Because of his good deeds.
because he is the father of nation. Father of nation.
अरे
Why
वो
was he
गुड
given
डीड के
that
लिए।
title? वो टाइटल उनको दिया क्यों गया? उनके अच्छे कर्मों के लिए ना। So what makes a person precious? Good values.
Ma'am, his good deeds.
Good values, his goodness, good virtues, that makes a person precious.
His bad handwriting.
Bad handwriting.
Yes.
Handwriting.
Writing.
बहुत दिन से क्लास नहीं आया तो
Doctors have the worst handwriting, yet they serve the society. Handwriting doesn't matter that much. It matters, but not.
Ma'am, hard work.
Yes, hard work is also a good virtue. You have seen the class 10
Because of-
result? Class 10 results?
yes, ma'am.
Seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the topper? What is the name of the topper?
Something.
Ma'am,
Ayush Ranjan, 98%.
yes, ma'am. Ayush Ranjan. Ayush Ranjan, 98%.
Ayush Ranjan, 98%. He was in 10A. I had taught him for 2 years. Marvelous student. He was very hard.
Congress, ma'am.
Very hardworking. Whatever classwork was given, I don't remember even a single day when he did not show the classwork that I gave him. There were other students whose language was much better, but the thing with him was that he was consistent regularly. ये नहीं कि हाँ इंग्लिश क्या लिख लेंगे पढ़ लेंगे. That was not his attitude. Always, whatever classwork was given, he would complete it and show me. And when I used to give him, like, I never gave him full marks. If the test was of 10 marks, I would deduct his half marks, and he would always ask, "Ma'am, why have you deducted half marks? What shall I do that I get 10 upon 10?" And his copy was just spotless, without any error. But I would tell to him that you don't get full marks in English. It is a language. You don't get full marks. That was the excuse I gave him. And sometimes I would give him some tips also, that you have to better your language like this. You have to use good vocabulary, simple and good vocabulary. Now, the last question is talk about it. This is your personal question. You have to answer it personally. The little swallow says, "It is curious, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold." The weather was cold, still the swallow was feeling hot. Have you ever had such a feeling? कभी ऐसा हुआ है तुमने कोई अच्छा काम किया हो और तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा हो, एकदम अंदर से warm? ऐसा हुआ है?
No, ma'am.
किसने अच्छा काम किया है? अनुज किया है अच्छा काम?
No, ma'am.
कभी नहीं.
यस मैम, मैंने किया है मैम.
मैंने भी किया.
निशु नयन ने किया है. और
यस मैम.
अच्छा, तो तुम तो लिख सकती हो लंबा पैराग्राफ. कैसा लगा?
मैम एग्जाम, यस मैम एग्जाम था मैम. एक फ्रेंड को नहीं आ रहा था क्वेश्चन मैम, वो वाला.
वैसे तुम भी बहुत सकती हैं.
This is not help. If you help your friend during exam, then that is not help. You are spoiling your friend.
कंडीशन ऐसा था.
Friends and Flatterers पढ़े हो?
मैम यस मैम.
Poem है. Who is a true friend? Who points out your fault also. So if you are a true friend, you will tell your friend that you have to be prepared for the exam. I will not help you during the exam. I can help you in learning the lessons, in explaining the lesson. That is real help. But if you help him during the exam, then you are not his true friend. ये तो अच्छा deed नहीं कहेंगे हम.